Milles on selle krundi tavapäratu ruumijaotuse mõte?
The total garden is 1,500 square meters. The water is about 400-450 square meters. The whole meaning is a home of health and happiness. It has to do with all the good feeling of yourself, with triggering all your senses, smelling, tasting, listening the water. All your senses should be triggered over here. When you are walking in your garden or enjoying your garden, you have every time when you are in your garden, you have to get something which give you a joy.
Siin on väga huvitav liiva ja sõelmete sarnane materjal. Kust see pärit on?
From Holland, from the seaside. It's shells with crushed shells. It's a beautiful material which can be make us. The pads are fast. The water is going fast through it. Now all these materials have to be as natural as we choose them, as natural as possible, and we take them out from the short distance. We don't take the stones from China or we look for stones which is it's better to get them for 50 kilometers as from 200 kilometers. The stones are from Belgium. It's from the Ardennes. The shells are from the seaside. Everything is for out of the country or nearby as possible.
Veepinda on proportsionaalselt palju, aga mis eesmärki peale ilu see veel täidab?
There's a natural swimming pond. The water is clearing through a natural filter filled with lava and bacteria. So we don't use any mechanical filter or chemicals. The water is healthy as possible and natural as possible. And the water is going through the stepping stones. And in the filter there are the pumps. They bring it to the waterfall, they bring it to the backside, and the streaming is going back to the filter, and everything should be cleaned over there.
Kust laavakivi pärit on?
From the Eifel in Germany is only about 150 kilometers from here.
Kas taimevalikul on ka mingi kindel läbiv mõte olnud?
We try to combine plants for eating, plants for smelling, plants for looking at, and the whole year should be interested in your garden, which have flowers in the spring, which is flowers in the summer or in the autumn. Even in the winter, the garden should be triggering you to use it.
Kas taimevalikul on ka mingi kindel läbiv mõte?
There's also all places are plants with. You see here the pinus, you see at the pachysandras, the ericas. At all places are plants which has leaf form in the winter too. Yeah. The wood, which is over there, deck wood, is 60 to 80 years old wood from ships. They throw it away and we buy it, and it's wood from Brazil here, and it's strong wood, tropical wood, but we use it again. And the aluminium from the furniture or the water wand, it's all rest material from truck industry. We buy the rest material and we make the furniture, interiors, everything with it. It's a new material, and normally it goes back to the aluminium to smelt it down for new aluminium and make a new material from it. So you see all the modern elements in this garden combined with the natural materials.
Kui keeruline ja aeganõudev sellise aia hooldus on?
Not so much. It's a new concept from Germany. We try to figure out which plants are growing here. We know the use from ferns or grasses or other plants which are growing in these walls. But here at the Floriade we tried out with herbs and healthy plants. And there's a computer on the ground, and the water is coming from a regular system. It goes 3 times a day. It's getting water, it's getting fertilizer. So you don't do anything for yourself, but it's go automatically.
aga mis juhtub siis, kui elekter ära läheb?
Then we have to do it with a hand. The electricity is important at this moment. You see also in different gardens the using of solar systems to get your own system and your own. In front of the Villa Flora, we see a solar tree. I walked with the people to make this solar tree, to design them. In the future, maybe we can do that. But at the moment we use the normal electricity.